Hi! In this video, I will show you how to make transparent background in Adobe After Effects. Click on New Composition here. Input your composition name. And these are the settings for this composition. Right-click in this area. And then click on New. For example, let's try to add text here. Type in any text. And change the color. Once done, click on Toggle Transparency Grid here, and the red background disappeared. Next is go to Composition. Click on Add to Render Queue. Click on Best Settings and follow the settings here. Next, click on Output Mode Settings and follow the settings here. And then, on the output, you can rename and save it. After that, click on Render here. You can now use the video clip on Adobe Premiere Pro. And that's it. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you get notified for our new uploaded videos. See you next time!